Welcome to your News Ticker Central, your place for technology and gadget top lists, must-haves and reviews. Dell launches Latitude 7410 Chromebook Enterprise laptop in 2-in-1. Dell is expanding its line of Chromebooks for enterprise customers with a new set of 14-inch models featuring premium specs and features and a premium price tag. Dell has unveiled the new Latitude 7410 Chromebook Enterprise, a premium business Chromebook. The novelty running Chrome OS is delivered in a laptop or laptop transformer 2-in-1. According to Dell, this is the first Chromebook to be available in two different form factors. The device comes with a 10th generation Intel processor, up to a quad-core Core i7, Comet Lake chip. Both models have a 14-inch screen with 1080p resolution and brightness of 300 candelas per square meter, with a model in the form factor of the laptop can be delivered with a non-touch screen with a resolution of up to 4K UHD, 3840 x 2160 pixels, and a brightness of 400 candelas per square meter. An option is available to reduce harmful blue light. The 2-in-1 model supports data entry using a stylus, which is available separately. The device has up to 16 GB of RAM, a 512 GB SIM SSD, a microSD port, and a Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, wireless adapter. The connectivity of the Chromebook includes two USB-C ports, two USB ports, an HDMI 2.0 connector, a 3.5mm audio jack for headphones, a SIM card slot, for models with LTE support. The Latitude 7410 Chromebook Enterprise has a battery life of up to 21 hours. The device is already on sale for $1,299. According to the company, shipments of a model based on the Core i3 chip will begin soon at a price of $1,099. Battery life should be exceptional, as Dell promises up to 21 hours of use between charges. Of course, that will vary based on the battery configuration, screen brightness, and how hard you tax the CPU. As organizations prepare for long-term remote work, Dell Technologies' unified workspace reduces IT complexity and allows IT leaders to secure, manage, and support the Latitude Chromebook Enterprise. Available in more than 50 countries and with 14 localized language keyboards, companies can select and purchase various configurations to meet employee needs. IT can manage the devices with the same level of support, security, and reliability they expect in a corporate environment, and have confidence in platform stability with the Intel Stable IT platform. They can service and upgrade storage and batteries and operate the same support model across their entire organization, as said by Dell. John Solomon, Vice President of Chrome OS at Google, explains, "Now, more than ever before, IT administrators need innovative technology solutions to support their modern cloud-first businesses. That's why we're thrilled to expand our premium Chromebook options for enterprise customers with the Latitude 7410 Chromebook Enterprise. Powered by Chrome OS, Dell Latitude Chromebook Enterprise allows IT managers to deploy rapidly and securely while enabling employees to get work done effectively, no matter where they are." Business and enterprise features include support for Chrome Enterprise Management Services, VMware Workspace ONE integration, and Dell ProSupport Plus. There's no word on whether these particular Chromebooks will support a feature Google has promised is coming for some enterprise Chromebooks: support for running Windows and Windows applications using Parallels virtualization software. Let's review the key features offered by Dell Latitude 7410 Chromebook. 4K panel with low blue light display available on a Chromebook Enterprise. The Dell Latitude 7410 Chromebook provides better readability and eye comfort with built-in 4K low blue light display technology. A 4-sided narrow border display also provides more screen to connect with colleagues, and acoustic noise reduction features that enhance video calls. Longest battery life of any premium Chromebook. With up to 21 hours of battery life, Dell Latitude 7410 Chromebook can complete tasks throughout the day. If recharging is required, the device can charge quickly from 0% up to 35% in as little as 20 minutes with Express Charge Boost, or get up to 80% charge within an hour with Express Charge. Ease of use: employees and executives pressed for time can rely on one-hand assist to power the Latitude Chromebook in less than 3 seconds simply by opening the lid. For extra flexibility, the device comes with one of the broadest array of ports available in a premium Chromebook Enterprise. Simple app access is available locally or online through the Chrome browser or the managed Google Play Store. Employees get peace of mind with an optional built-in privacy panel and camera privacy shutter. Excellent design: professionals can choose between machined aluminum or carbon fiber on the world's lightest 14-inch Chromebook Enterprise laptop. A new silver color is available on the Latitude 5400 Chromebook Enterprise to give more employees a modern look and feel. That's all for now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.